So we're here on a very lovely sunny afternoon here at TTW Installations Defender Retrofit. I just wanted to quickly do a very short video for our YouTube channel just to show you one of our new products on our particular demo vehicle, which is these new storage areas now that we now offer here. So these, you can have them on, you could either just have one or you could have one on both sides, which we've got here. So these give an extra bit of storage, but also just enhance the overall look again on the rear of the vehicle. But I'll just show you. They are fully lockable, and then basically you will have a storage area, whether it's for your fire extinguisher, when you're going camping, whether you want to store your gin in there, but it's another added extra storage area, and then these areas will just clip over on the side for that. So if you are interested in having this particular upgrade, they are available on our site to purchase, but if you want us to obviously fit them correctly, then please let us know.